Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS with my Porsche 911, and in this video I'm going to give you step-by-step directions on how to use launch control in your Porsche. Now, although this is in a 911, this will apply to Boxster, Cayman, 911, and possibly Panamera, but those three for sure. So let's climb on board where I'll give you step-by-step directions. Step one, start your Porsche. And I'm going to turn off the radio here. Now, important thing is you should make sure that all your temperatures are in full operating range. So you can see we've got 90 and 86, obviously coolant temp, we've got gas, and of course we've got good tires, and you should only be doing this in a safe place where you are allowed to do so. No traffic, good road conditions, no pedestrians. Once you have verified all that, you are going to put your 911 into drive. You can leave it in automatic, and you are going to put on your selector into Sport Plus, the S Plus, and it should be noted that you can do this with traction on or traction off. So down here with the left pedal, you are going to hold it very firmly, and with the right pedal, you are going to press it fully, and that will engage both the hold button up here and the launch control active there. So with all those steps, launch control active, hold on, there you go. That is how to do launch control in your Porsche 911, Boxster, Cayman, and Panamera. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of how to do launch control in your Porsche 911, Boxster, Cayman, or Panamera. If you did and you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share to your other friends with Porsches, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. All right, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's the best.